Nope, right there. All right, Sam. You're up. Crank that reel. Okay, wait, hold. All right, now crank it. Hold, put this underneath your arm. There you go. And crank the wheel. Turn the handle. You're on a fish.
All right. Where you want me down?
You're right there. Yeah, just stay out the way. I'm standing up here so I can get a video of them. You still got a fish on there, buddy. Rod tip up.
Keep that rod up.
Yep.
Pull it up.
Tilt it up. There you go.
There you go.
There he is. He's up. All
right. Fight it in. Something.
It's something. Yeah, it's a fish.
Yeah, man. Nice.
We're salmon fishing. That's a salmon.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to need to keep your rod tip up. Yep, keep going. No. Yep. All right. Oh. I know.
Oh, that's a big one, dude.
Oh, stop. Hold the rod tip. Oh, mother! He broke the hook. Oh, that was my bad.
Oh, it was huge too.
That was my bad. That was a nice fish, and that was my bad. I love them for all the men. Oh. Yep. Henry, you're up. Let me get this to the boat. And I'm gonna hand it to you. Okay? So we gotta get this board up. Yep, and this is a lot of line. Henry, I need somebody to hold that. Alright. Turn the handle. We don't need that net yet, Sam. We got a long way. For that, we need room. Put this in the rod holder up there. This. Yep. I got Henry. No, you crank the handle. There you go. Rod tip up. Okay. Yep. Yep, keep cranking, turning that handle. It's still on, you gotta turn it.
You're gonna be sitting there for about 5-10 minutes, man.
I hope he's still on. That's the problem with these long lines. Sometimes they get off. Ah, he's still on.
Oh, yeah, keep going.
Turn that handle. Hell yeah.
Keep going.
There you go. That's 300 yards or 300 feet. You got to keep. If you can't turn, let go of that handle and let me turn. Because you got to get him in. He's just swimming there. Let's hope he's still on. Oh yeah, he's still there. So you gotta chase him in, buddy. Otherwise, all he's doing is sitting there with a weight on his mouth. Fucking crank it, turn it as quick as you can. If I'm not, I don't need to do it. Oh, shoulder and crank. Yep, rod tip up and don't jerk it. Just nice, easy cranks. Let's get a fish in the boat here.
Keep going, quick.
Yeah. All right, hold on, slow. Nice, easy cranks. Oh, that's a nice fish. No, up. Oh, pull up. God damn. Here we go.
Hey, we got one.
Good job. Hey, first fish fish on the 300 copper.
Oh, yeah.
Teamwork. Everybody got it. This is bad. There we go. First fish on the 300. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice one.
That's a nice one.
Get this up. So, you grab them just by the gills, right? And then you knock them right on the head like that. Yeah. That's it. That's it. That cracks a fish skull just like that. So, here's the deal. Right in the gills. Don't put your hand in the mouth. Okay? So, boom. Grab a handful of gills. Yep, I know it does. And grab it. Otherwise, your fingers are going to go in the teeth. All right, Eric, where's your phone? Now turn around.
All right, man.
And grab it with this hand, right like that. There you go. Dandy fish, boys! Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Oh yeah. You're on it. Hold that rod tip down. Just reel. Go. I know.
Nah, man. Keep going.
You don't need no help.
He's got it. He's almost in. Keep going.
It's not almost in.
Jeez. Don't fight it. Just reel. You're not going to pull it in. Just reel.
Yeah.
Just reel.
Big wave coming. No, you're fine. No, keep going. All right.
There we go. Keep going. Keep reeling.
Let's try and bring him up on the side. Eric, turn just a little bit this way.
Boy, is he
Yeah, by the time you get them up this close, they're normally pretty tired too, though.
so high.
That's good.
She's still out there?
Oh, yeah. Okay, your leverage is wrong. This hand right here. This in your armpit. There you go. All right, nice and easy. Eric, turn this way a little bit. Yep. Keep reeling. Turn sharp, Eric. Stop. Okay, turn. Oh. Stop reeling. Oh. Lift. Nice. I know. It's tough to go swimming either. Hey.
Oh yeah.
300 copper. How about that? I think this one's going to go next. I think they like blue today.
Looks like it. There's 2 on the blue, right?
Yeah, and he wasn't going anywhere either. He was hooked on. He was good.
Oh yeah.
All right. Pull that. Don't hook me in the face. Keep it off the back. There you go. Nice fish.